999, and 1000.
Hey, what's up you guys? This is ZH Comic Art, and yesterday I spent all day drawing because I was doing the 1,000 figure drawing challenge. Yes, yesterday I drew 1,000 figures, and these aren't like finished figures or anything, they're just really simple stick figures, but they kind of show the pose, the action, you can put them in environments, and I'll show you guys what I drew. I kind of started out looking at a lot of references and I just drew everything I saw, so I got used to the poses, and after that I started creating images out of my head. So I'll show you guys a few of the pictures. There are a ton, but I chose some of the best ones to show you guys, and afterwards I'll show you how I draw these figures and some quick poses that I can think of off the top of my head. Let's show you guys the drawings.
So here is one of the pages where I drew a ton of figures and poses. These ones were all from imagination, and as you can see, these are male figures. Later I'll show you guys some female figures that I drew, and you can see some are punching, some are lifting things up, some are just sitting down. I think that's like a glass of wine or something like that. Yeah, you can see there are a ton of figures, and these don't take long to draw at all. Here are a few of the female ones I drew. As you can see, they're very similar to the male figures, except for they have, how do I say them? Boobs on them. Yeah, and their hips are slightly wider. Well, actually a lot wider than the males. But that's just how the female stick figures look. And we got a lot of poses from imagination. These are female figures, and my friend took my sketchbook and drew that in, so that's her drawing. Here is another page. Later I'll show you guys how I draw them. I'll do a couple quick sketches, and as you can see, this guy's like holding a gun. And if you want, you can use these as references. I definitely use references all the time for drawing these, but for these ones, they are from imagination. Later I'll show you guys a few referenced ones I drew. Here are a few more figures. These are a bit messier than the other ones that I was showing you. I think I was looking at Jack Kirby for reference because he has a lot of dynamic figures. As you can see, a lot of pretty cool poses. On this page, I drew a few more, and they don't take very long to draw, but 1,000 figures is still very time consuming. Here are a few figures where I used George Bridgman as reference. Quick figures, and this one right here, that's pretty cool. That was from my imagination, so I get all the credit for that. For these figures right here, I think I was looking at Jim Lee. Yeah, he has pretty amazing figures, and these are some pretty quick figure drawings too. Here's another page of the figure drawings, and as you can see, I can pretty much go all day with this and show you all 1,000, but I kind of want to show you guys how I draw them, so let's get right into that. So right now I'm just gonna draw a few stick figures. Let's draw one slightly crouching down. We've got the torso up here. I'll draw in the pelvis. And like I said before, these figures can get drawn really fast, and it's really not much of a time commitment because they take so little time, but they can really help with your figure drawing. And as you can see, it's really rough, and there, we have one in already. Let's draw another one. Maybe he can be throwing some kind of a punch, or here, we'll have like a Superman flying pose. We'll have one arm extended up here. We'll have one hand back here. We'll have his leg coming up like this, one leg going back. And right now I'm experimenting with something where I draw the head last. I'm not even sure if that made sense, but look at there. There's your kind of Superman. We can add like cape or something. Alright, and we'll draw a female figure. So start with triangle right here. I split this up. I actually learned this from J. Scott Campbell, where he split his triangle up for the breasts. And now we'll go in, we'll draw the legs. I'm not really sure what to do with the arms right now here. We'll just do this. And there's a female figure, and that didn't take very long either. We'll draw another male figure. We'll have him. Let's do a side view. We'll have. I'm thinking, what should I do here? I'll add the head first because I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do yet. And these kind of just make up as you go. I'm not even sure what I'm doing here, but there's a figure, and obviously you're gonna have some figures that are stronger than others, and that's just how it is, but everything's just practice. I'll have one guy over here. He'll have his arm on the ground and he'll be looking up. Let's see, one leg back, one leg forward. You can see there's not much detail at all. One hand on the ground, the other hand will be balled up into a fist, and there. So as you can see, I drew 5 figures while talking, and they don't really take much time, but I guess 1,000 figures still takes a while. So if you want to try it, yeah, just let me know how you do. I hope you guys like it.
This video's shout out goes to Slime Art. If you want to win a shout out too, all you have to do is hit that bell to turn on post notifications, smash that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments when you're done so I can find you and give you a shout out. If you like this art challenge and want to see more, make sure you like, comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna do one tomorrow.